Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these green and red lines are coming from. And not a whole lot to report from the resistance standpoint, other than kind of just confirmation of what I've been talking about. And the main thing I've been talking about is in regards to this area of resistance right here, right around the low 220s. And I've said that this is just a very stubborn level because it's one of those where it kind of toys with the bulls, meaning, yeah, it'll let the price break above it, but then all of a sudden it drags the price back down. Or in other words, as I described it in yesterday's video, you know, the bulls are just really struggling to get a true break. A true break having two parts. The first part, the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price stay above the break? And case in point right here. Yeah, the price broke up above the 222 mark. But when it came to staying up above it, nope, fell back below it. Again this morning, actually gapped up and started to run. But once again, could it maintain? Nope, fell back below. And then right here, once again, temporarily got above it, but then ultimately closed down below that area. I'm not saying this 220, 222 area can't be broken. I'm just saying that apparently it's just a very stubborn level that every time the price gets above it, it's almost like, you know, the bears grab a magnet and suck the price right back down. So in the short term, 220, 222, whatever you want to call it, that level is still definitely the stubborn area of resistance. And the next key one is right up here at this mark at right around $2.32, which was also confirmed as a level of resistance after today, because as the price gapped up and then ran, yeah, it didn't quite hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree got, you know, within the range of that area. So those are going to be the two areas of resistance. Nothing new there, just like I said, confirmation. As far as supports, you still have this one right here that's hanging out at $2.10, and that's what you want to see. The price is still up above the purple line there, the 50 period, so that's another good sign right there. So really at this point in time, it's just really a matter of, can the bulls finally, you know, get a true break of that 222 mark and stay up above it? Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.